Hey guys, I'm still out today. I'm super, super excited to be back in the classroom, and it should be on Thursday. So I just want to touch base with you, and I'm writing this out so that you know what I'm looking for when you get to school on Thursday. So two things that should have already been done by now is the weekly review assessment number 7 and 8. Remember, this week you're working on assessment number 9, and we will still take that on Friday. So here's what you did last week, and this is what I'll be grading on Thursday. I haven't even had a chance to look at any of this. So if you are not finished with any of this, make sure that's complete by Thursday, because that's when I'll be grading it. If Delta Math comes up and it says late, don't worry about that. But this is what should have already been done, and make sure you get this done. Absolute value inequalities, the Delta Math, and that was from October 17th. Then you guys did the absolute value inequality coloring activity. That was on October 18th. And then Wednesday and Thursday, you guys worked on the adventures and the escape. Remember, I don't care about the technical part. If you didn't understand the technical part and how to do all that stuff, that's fine. I still want you to turn in your work on paper with the problems themselves. And then for today, you haven't done this yet, but today I want you finishing the study guide unit 2. I will publish those answers on Thursday, but if you get your study guide unit signed by a guardian, a parent, or grandparent, you can turn that in for 3 points that I will add to your test on that when we take it. But that has to be signed by Thursday. And then tomorrow, you're not actually taking a quiz. It's going to say quiz at the top of your paper. Don't freak out when you see the quiz, but I still want you to do that worksheet, and it's all over the compound inequalities. I would have counted that for a quiz had I been there, but since I'm not there, I still want you to do it in class. And you can use your notes, that's fine, but I want you working on your own. I don't want you working with anybody else. So that's what you're going to be doing tomorrow. And then a couple of the bonus, you had an opportunity to earn 30 bonus points. The first one was the literal equations, the digital escape that I had signed earlier last week. And then if you did all the practice problems for the 3 sections about multi-step inequalities, compound inequalities, and absolute value inequalities, if you did all of those, then I'll give you 20 points on that. Okay, so these are all the things I'm looking for on Thursday. We will start part 1 of your test on Friday. I'm putting it into parts because 1, we still have our weekly assessment number 9, and then that's not gonna leave enough class time to finish our test. So when I get back on Thursday, we're gonna go over all of this stuff together. I'm gonna answer questions and make sure you understand everything. I am super excited because I know you guys are gonna ace this test because we've been reviewing for so long. If you have questions or you need assistance or anything, still feel free to email me. I can't check it all the time, but we do get breaks on the jury trial, so feel free to do that. I've tried to return as many emails as I can. I think I've returned everybody's. If you still have questions about a grade, I'm not doing that till I get back so I can see my grades in front of me, okay? But reach out if you need anything, and I can't wait to see you guys on Thursday.